Hi everyone, good morning. So for today's vlog, we are going to market because I'm going to shopping now. Yeah, I'm going to shopping because Sir Steven gave me money for the shopping trip. Thank you so much, Sir Steve, for helping me and sharing your blessing to me. You know what? I really miss shopping. So let's go guys. I'm with my husband because my husband don't have work today. So he's with me going to shopping. So guys, update ko kayo pag kami ay nasa palengke na. So everyone, I'm here at Supermart. We are going inside. Thanks again Sir Steve. Love you. No Oreo color orange. Only Oreo original is here. Or is the Oreo, but no color orange. So let's go get some biscuit. Bakit Jaren? Yung mga ano. Ito. Ayan yan. Mini boy. Bakit ka lapit mo? Dilata. Di na kasya sa lagay. I get some cart guys, so dito namin ilalagay. Lipat mo. Di kasi kasya. So we will get canned goods. Dilata. Hindi ko mamili mga dilata. We will get dilata. Bang bang. Bang 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 into the room. Jamie. Natutuwa siya. Kay Jamie? Ah, candy? Saan? Oo nga, yan nga. Ha? May lagay niya ng bumili ko. Ah. kay Jared stick ko.
Malutong, ay malutong.
Yung original, wala din original. Hindi yan, yung isa pa.
Ay, masarap.
Yung stick ko ang pangalan niya.
Para magrang.
Tingin daw. Hindi. Yung para ma-brown siya. Yan, ganun yung lagayan niya. Oh, tinamay na patas na yung kulay violet. Nako. Ganyan ang lagayan niya. How do I live without you? I want... Walang laro, ilang hindi si Jane. Ito yung dede pala yan, dede. Ha? Oo. Tuwan-tuwa yun niya kasi siya kasama. Dede for Jamie. It's a candy. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ha? Doon na yun sa butik. Doon na, bibili akong gato si Jared sa butik. Wala yung mga chocolate. Dini. Para ko ako si Dini stick. Goya? Nutella? Ewan ko tayo. Nutella na lang.
Chocolate na naman.
Nutella.
Puro chocolate.
Nagoya? Hindi ko yan. Di ba yun? Lagi binibili natin. Look guys, stick of our giant. Brownies and some chocolate. There's the blue of some chocolate. Dito lang ka tayo bumili mga dishwashing tsaka daw nung ha? Yung kulay blue daw niya. Sa ilalim mo na. Yan daw niya. Ano bang? Ayan, parang mas makulay. Parang mas makulay. Di, wait ka mo. 74 lang. Yan yung dalawa, oh. Na dishwashing. Ito, mas maganda yun. Ito, to. Sa ilalim mo lagay. Tapos yung dishwashing na yan, yung dalawahan. Tapos panghugas sa plato. May sponge ba sila? Hindi, yung pangkuskos. Ay, maganda pala niya. Pang ano? Ayun pala, mga pangkuskos na plato. Bugungan mo, bumili ka na. Oo. I buy this sponge. And I will get some juice. Look guys, this is all I buy. But I will get juice. Wala yung chocolate na ano. Oy, bottled water. Maybe I will buy bottled water. See, we get a bottled water also. My husband, because it's heavy, I can't buhat this. Tanda mo yung, ano, dito sa ilalim mo. Tanda mo yung pinipili natin dating yung sesto siya na parang chocolate. Na. Mas masarap yung kaysa sa mga ganyan inumin ni Jane.
Dama mo dyan.
Meron. Dito tayo, baby tayo. Ano yung... Oo nga pala, dun yun. Ha? So guys, I'm home. So I'm home. I'm very tired, but I'm so very happy. So let's unbox the groceries and let's put it on the fridge. Thank you so much again, Sir Steve. I'm so happy. I go shopping again. The last time is very long time ago. So let's go. It's 2 bucks, guys. And also I buy bottled water. Sir Steve, I buy bottled water. So let's go. Let's unbox this. So we have her biscuit for my 2 kids. Breadstick and mini boy for Jaya. Some brownies bites, chocolate chips, and a special Oreo, Thursday. But there's no orange Halloween Oreo. They said maybe by October they have the. So they have the original Oreo. Candies for Jamie, it's Dede candies. It's Dede. And Curly Top, it's chocolate. Curly Top. Oh, Bang Bang, it's chocolate also. Real chocolate banana. Some cup noodles. Cup noodles. Guinness milk. Bear brownie. And we have your Dutch milk. And Chucky. It's chocolate Chucky. Pringles. And then Choco Stick. It's a Choco. And we have Goya. Goya. And coffee because I love coffee. I buy many coffee. I'm a coffee lover. Some stick ball. And then Bear Brand sterilized. My husband drink it every morning before he go to work. We have here. And also Coca-Cola. I didn't forget because I love Coke. And candy. Mang Tomas. Soy sauce. And many canned goods. Yan. We need this canned goods. Because I have a one sack of rice here. So I don't buy rice because I still have a rice. Many canned goods. So open the second box. Ay, we have your bread pala. A bread. It's gardenia. Wet bread. So this is some diaphragm. Some shampoo, conditioner, dishwashing, downy, soap, Colgate, and this baby wipes. So this is all I got. And also the bottled water is here. I will put it on the fridge. Let's go. Arrange here. Sir Steve. Thank you. Love you. Ate, flying kiss mo muna, Sir Steve. Flying kiss. Tingin ka dito kay Mama. Flying kiss mo, Sir Steve. Love you. Thank you, Sir Steve. Thank you so much. So, guys, let's put it on the fridge. So many groceries. Look, guys. May pakakita pa ako. So, let's go. Let's arrange it on the fridge. Hi, guys. So, let's put it now. Dami mong okay, sugar, almond, nagano pa na trending na. So, let's put it on the fridge. So guys, I'm done na nga po. Maayos ang ating mga grocery. I want to thank Sir Steven. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to go shopping. You know what? I really miss shopping. Thank you. Oh my God, I'm so speechless, Sir Steven, because my heart is so happy right now. My fridge is full and we have many foods, and also my two kid have many biscuits to eat. Thank you so much and I love you. I hope, Sir Steve, you enjoy my shopping trip with my husband. Thank you so much. God will bless you more because you're so kind and generous person. I'm so blessed to know you, sir boyfriend, because you have very very big heart to other people. I know God will give you a long life because you help many people. Thank you so much. I love you. Love you so much, sir boyfriend. So, yun guys. Ito ko na din po para tapusin ang aking vlog for today's video. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you po sa lahat ng walang sawang sumusuporta sa akin dyan. Maraming salamat po. Sana po ay supportahan nyo pa po ako hanggang dulo. Big for love you, Sir Randy. Thank you so much. Kuya Jaleka, miss you. Ingat ka dyan palagi, kuya. Sir JB Outdoors, hello. Sir SA, paring Kali, love you. Sir Steven, love you so much, sir boyfriend. So guys, see you on my next vlog. Love you all. Bye-bye.